Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to embark on a three-nation tour from June 15 to 19, covering Cyprus, Canada, and Croatia. The high-profile visit aims to deepen India's bilateral ties and broaden strategic engagement with the European Union, the Mediterranean region, and G7 partners. In the first leg of his tour, Prime Minister Modi will visit Cyprus from June 15 to 16 at the invitation of President Nikos Christodoulides. This marks the first visit by the Prime Minister to Cyprus in over 2 decades. During his stay in Nicosia, PM Modi will hold official talks with President Christodoulides and later address a gathering of business leaders in Limassol. The visit is expected to reaffirm the shared commitment between India and Cyprus to bolster bilateral cooperation and expand India's presence in the Mediterranean region. Following his engagements in Cyprus, the PM will travel to Canada on 16 June 17 to attend the G7 summit in Kananaskis, Alberta. Invited by Canadian Prime Minister Mark Carney, this will be PM Modi's 6th consecutive participation in the summit. At the G7, he is scheduled to engage in discussions with leaders from G7 nations, invited outreach partners, and heads of key international organizations. Topics on the agenda include energy security, emerging technologies, and global innovation challenges, with a particular focus on the AI energy nexus and developments in quantum technology. Several bilateral meetings are also planned on the sidelines of the summit. The final leg of the Prime Minister's tour will take him to Croatia on 18 June, at the invitation of Croatian Prime Minister Andrej Plenković. This marks the first ever visit by an Indian Prime Minister to Croatia and is expected to be a milestone in bilateral relations. PM Modi will hold talks with Prime Minister Plenković and meet Croatian President Zoran Milanovic. The visit is aimed at enhancing India's partnership with European Union nations and strengthening diplomatic and economic ties with Croatia. The three-nation visit highlights India's growing global engagement and underscores the country's strategic intent to strengthen cooperation across Europe and North America. Focal Alpha News.
Real news for real world.